Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas.
City dwellers often get tired of the constant hustle, so they're happy to spend their free time at summer cottages, where you can enjoy nature and fresh air to their fullest. When a person first acquires a suburban area, usually he has many interesting plans and ideas for its use. But don't be in too much of a hurry. To get a well-organized courtyard and a cozy area, you need to draw up a well-thought-out plan. All country houses require careful attention. Only in this case, the country house will constantly delight the owner. There are certain standards that govern the organization of development in the suburban area. The location of each building and structure should be noted on the plan. The center of the entire site and the starting point for calculations is a residential building. The zoning of the territory and the placement of their buildings on it depend on its location. The distance between buildings is determined by regulatory documents, which take into account the logic of the organization of the site and prevent the occurrence of possible problems with neighbors. Before starting construction, it is recommended to carefully read the building rules. The residential building is located in such a way that it is located as far as possible from utility structures. Otherwise, exposure to odors, dust and noise is possible. The recreation area and the reservoir are also located at some distance from the vegetable garden and building for animals. The same applies to the gazebo and barbecue. A component approach to organizing the site allows you to freely place all the necessary buildings even in a small area. According to the current regulations, the total building area cannot exceed 1/3 of the entire site. Summer cottages should not only be comfortable and durable, but also meet the requirements of relevance and aesthetics. To do this, you need to take care of the compatibility of styles and materials used for construction. Brick houses should correspond to the same bathhouse, and wooden structures imply the construction of a similar gazebo. If the roofs of the main buildings are covered with metal tiles, then alternatives for the rest of the building should not be used. When planning a site, you must also take care of the comfort of your neighbors. To do this, you must strictly observe the recommended distances between zones and do not use high fences that can block the sunlight.
How do you look at these awesome ideas? We would love to hear from you. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.